In this video, I'll show you how to send USDT from Binance to Phantom Wallet. USDT can exist on different blockchains, so the most important part of this process is choosing the correct network. If you send USDT on the wrong network, your funds may not appear in Phantom and could be difficult or impossible to recover. First, open Phantom Wallet. Make sure you are logged in and using the correct wallet account. Tap Receive, then search for USDT. Choose the version of USDT that matches the network you want to use. For example, you may see USDT on Solana, Ethereum, Polygon, or another supported network, depending on your Phantom setup. Once you select USDT, Phantom will show your receiving address. Copy the address carefully. Now open Binance and go to your wallet section. Choose your Spot Wallet, search for USDT, and tap Withdraw. Select the option to send using a crypto network. Paste your Phantom wallet address into the withdrawal address field. Then choose the same network you selected in Phantom. If you copied a Solana USDT address, choose the Solana network on Binance. If you copied an Ethereum address, choose Ethereum. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Binance will show the withdrawal fee and the final amount that should arrive. Before confirming, review everything carefully. Check the address, token, network, and amount. For your first transfer, send a small test amount first. Once everything looks correct, confirm the withdrawal. Binance may ask for security verification, such as email code, phone code, or authenticator code. After Binance processes the withdrawal, open Phantom and check your balance. If USDT does not appear immediately, refresh Phantom or make sure the correct network and token are enabled. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.